Hello. We often find ourselves in a situation where we've got all these annoying extra returns at the end of each line. I really don't want those there. I want to have this paragraph wrap and the rest of the paragraphs wrap. So really the challenge is how do you get rid of these but retain the break between these two paragraphs? Well, there's two paragraphs, one after another. There's paragraph, paragraph, right after each other. So what I do is I go up here and I replace uh, paragraph, that's a paragraph mark, control caret sign P, caret sign P. Caret sign is right above the 6 on your keyboard. And I want to replace those two paragraph returns with something odd, like 5 Qs. And I'm going to hit replace all. Now it's going to get scary, but trust me, you'll get back to where you want to be. So then after you do that, you want to just replace the single paragraph with nada, nothing, and hit replace all. Now it still looks messed up, but this is where you come back and replace those odd Qs, 5 Qs, and with caret sign P, caret sign P, two returns, and hit replace all. And there we go. So this, you can see the paragraphs are all word wrapped, and there's it looks pretty much how you want it. So sometimes you have to be a little bit tricky to get around conditions like this and be a little bit innovative. Ideally, if your organization will allow for macros, this can be put in a macro and everybody wouldn't have to go through this stuff. You just go hit a macro button and it would do all what we just did there automatically. I hope this helps.